The most problem marketers faced in social media ads is how to set and achieve social media ads goals in 2021. A lot of fresh marketers contact me with the aim of consultation. It turned out the main reason behind failure to achieve the goal of Facebook campaign is the accurate identification of the target audience preference. How to overcome this problem? From a short time, one of my customers asked me to run a Facebook campaign to market a training course in digital marketing. This campaign was containing 3 ads with the different 3 ad copies for the same target audience. The marketing objective of this campaign is to collect emails by offering to download an ebook. One of the most interactive ads is which is directed to entrepreneurs and the fresh marketers who try to create and run paid ads, but they couldn't achieve their goals as expected. When a lot of fresh marketers contact me with the aim of consultation, it turned out that the main reason behind the failure to achieve the goal of Facebook campaign they created is the accurate identification of the target audience preference. For that reason, I decided to provide an exceptional tool that will help you to identify your target audience preferences correctly for the paid ads on Facebook. This tool is named Facebook Audience Insights. How to start to use Audience Insights tool? Please, before start now, support us with like and subscribe. Let's go to the computer screen and start. Go to business.facebook.com. If you have a multiple ad account, you can choose one of them and then click on the icon beside Facebook logo. And from drop-down menu, click Audience Insights. You will be faced 2 options. Option 1, if you want to search on all Facebook users, everyone on Facebook. Option 2, if you want to search on people who like your business pages. Let's click on the first option, everyone on Facebook. Let's assume that we'll create a campaign to market a digital marketing course in the United States. So the first item we will start with is a location. In the left menu, we enter United States in the location field. Note the data change where the number of Facebook users are updated. People on Facebook. You can find the name of the country you entered in the location field. Demographics. It's about the age groups of male and female. One of the important steps we assume that you have done, you define a target persona preference before creating a Facebook campaign because it will help you to know age, gender, interests of your target audience. Since we market for training course in digital marketing, so one of the most important things we must start looking for is the interests and enter it in the interest field. The interests are digital marketing, digital marketer, Facebook page admin, SEO or search engine optimization. Note here the data changed in demographics section, so we can choose the largest 3 age group and it from 25 to 45 years old. Now let's move to the next section named Relationship Status. And note that there are 4 items. Single. The target audience here represents 20% at a reaction rate plus 6%. In a relationship, the target audience here represents 15%, but the reaction rate is too low because it's minus 4%. Engaged. The target audience here represents 4% at the reaction rate plus 5%. Married. The target audience here represents 51%, but the reaction rate is too low because it's minus 2%. So based on this data, we must exclude in a relation and married from target audience preference. To do that, go to left menu and click on Advanced, then Relationship Status, and tick on single and engaged. Now let's move to education level. Note that the target audience who finished his college represents 69% and the reaction rate is plus 14%, which is good. From left menu in the education section, you can tick college only. On the top of the page, you can click on page likes to know what are the top pages were liked by a target audience. Note that the top page liked is fallen under the entrepreneur category, which is good indication. One of the most important indicators that must be looked at is the activity tab, because it will help you to know the rate of the target audience's reaction to paid ads. Note that 37% of target audience who interested in your product are reacting with a paid ad. Let's move to the last section, which places the ad appear in. Did you place your ad on desktop or mobile phone or two? Which answer this question is a device user section. Depending on the data that appeared here, it's preferable to put your ad on desktop and mobile. Now let's move to the top of the page and note the number of audience. Now it's between 700K to 800K. Now I think you can understand the effectiveness of Audience Insights tool, because you can't get all the details about audience without this tool, especially if you have a brand new business. I am Muhammad Sabri from Way to E-Business. Bye.